Hello there, it's been a while since I last spoke. Ever since then, many changes have been on Autowini. Today, we'll show you how to use the booking request system. Join us. Booking request is the option that lets you ask Autowini the car you decide to buy. In order to do so, all you have to do is follow these 3 steps. First, find the car you want to book. Then, go to booking request and fill the information that appears. If the vehicle is available, we will contact you as soon as possible via email within 24 hours. Once you make your confirmation, Autowini will process your request and issue an invoice. Remember, there are a few things you need to know before using the booking request option. First, the amount of booking requests you can do per day are different depending on the type of business membership you have. Second, even if you cancel the current booking request you have, this one, they will not restore at the end of the day. Lastly, but more important, put the information on the sheet correctly. If there is wrong information, Autowini may reject or may not be able to process your order. Now you know how to use the booking request system. If you have any problems, feel free to ask us. We're here to help you. Thank you.